Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WinRAR in your computer. For that, we just need to open a browser and search for WinRAR. Click on the official website and you need to click on download WinRAR and just click on download WinRAR once again. Wait for a few seconds, download will be started automatically. Okay, as you can see, is the download begin. If you face any kind of problem with automatic download, then you can click here to make it manual. After download finish, just click on exe. There will be a pop-up yes, no. Click on yes, click on install and just click on OK. Finish the process by clicking on done. Close the browser. So that's how we successfully install WinRAR in our computer. So suppose we want to compress this two file in an archive file. For that, we need to select the two file and just right click on this. And as you can see, here is the WinRAR icon. So click on add to archive and you can change the name. Okay, I just changed the name and click on OK. So here is our archive file. If I just delete them. So after that, if I just double click on this compress file, so here is our files. So if I want to extract those files, what I need to do, just right click on the file and click on extract here. So here is our two files. So that's how you can use WinRAR in your computer.